welcome to my nightmare. Here's 2023 Kia Niro Hybrid. I'm assuming there's three models: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and then pure electric. I'm assuming that they're going to all be the same. So nobody seems to know how to get to the headlight. You definitely can't do it from above. There's no room. That bracket is in the way right there. So going by posts of previous models, they said to take the inner wheel well off. So you don't have to do the back. You don't have to do the back. Me, I just replaced my bulb and I forgot to put the cap back on. The joy. So I got to do it again. But not bad. I just have to pop the body pins. These body pins are real simple to pop. And there's two under here. This one I didn't put back yet. We got that one, this one, that one, and then this thing here will pop out. You can bring this out and around the stabilizer bar. Bring it out and around, and then you got room to reach up in there. Excuse me. You'll have room to reach up in there and get the bulb. Piece of cake. But recommendation: you can pull the bulb out. It's already burnt, so it doesn't matter. Pull the bulb out, remove the plug, put the bulb back in before you plug it in. If you plug it in before you put the bulb back in there, the wires will fight with you. It's a little inconvenient to reach in there to get the plug up in there and plugged onto the bulb. But I promise you, it's a lot harder to do it with the wire on there. So I'm going to pause this for a second. I'm going to pop these body pins and I'm going to show you what's up in there.